In this recording, in this series of thread milling, we'll be working on an external thread on a cylinder. Now that I've created one for an internal thread, I'd like to create one on this cylinder over here, which is an external cylinder of 16 millimeters. So I'm going to just continue over here and say save and copy, because I want to use the exact same tool. And I'm going to change my geometry. My geometry this time is going to be this cylinder over here. Now, I can't click on top of it because there's no hole over here. What I can do is I can go 3 points on circumference and click 1, 2, and 3, and that will give me the center of that cylinder. I'll click on OK. The tool will stay the same. And my levels, this time my level is going to be going down to this surface over here with a 1 millimeter delta in the plus direction. My technology, this time I want to work external. So I'll click on external, and if I keep it from bottom to top, it's going to work conventional. I want to work though from top to bottom, put it at climb milling. I can keep the same settings that I have over here, and my links, I can actually now have it at whatever arc lead-in that I want, as is coming from the external, and I am not limited in the space. The only limitations I may have in this case is if it checks into the wall, which is I can see that inside our simulation. I'll just do save and calculate, run my simulation, and if I run my simulation now again in Solid Verify, you'll see that I have my thread working on the outside of the part over here. This concludes our recordings on the series of thread milling.